So after a very long time of hoping that Muse would ship their Ring 1 Indiegogo-backed health, wellness, and sleep tracking ring, which unfortunately did not happen, I pulled the trigger and got the Ultrahuman Air ring instead. I've just taken delivery of it, and because it's going to be quite a while before I can get some good insights and data from this ring, use it thoroughly, and do a full review for you, I figured I would take you along instead on the unboxing experience, the initial setup process, and show you how easy it is to set up, what comes in the box, and give you my initial hands-on impressions. Now, if you're not familiar with the Ultrahuman Ring Air, it's a sleep, HRV, movement, temperature, health, wellness, overall tracking device. The main reason I went with the Ultrahuman Ring Air over something like an Oura ring is there is no monthly membership fee. The Oura membership fee, I think, is about 10 Canadian dollars, maybe a little bit less US, but it adds up over time. And without paying that fee, you get none of the functionality of the ring. This is the same problem that a lot of other products in this space have. So the Ring Air, just like the Muse Ring 1, which never shipped, I did a video on that if you want to check that out below. The big selling feature is no monthly subscription. You pay once and you own the ring for good. That's it. That's all you have to worry about. So the main insights I'll be looking to get with the Ring Air, of course, will be my sleep performance. How long am I sleeping? How deeply am I sleeping? What's my rest like? I feel like I'm a pretty good sleeper, but the dog climbs into bed, disturbs me. I feel like I never really quite get back into sleep, like deep sleep, after that happens. So it'll be interesting to track that and see if there's anything I can do to maybe improve my sleep health and performance, because sleep is super important, of course. And then, of course, tracking recovery and all that good stuff when you're being active, when you're working out. This year, I really want to make an effort to get back into the gym, get into better shape than I have been the last couple of years. With everything that's been going on in the world, it's been easy to kind of fall off the wagon, get distracted. There's just been so much going on between getting married and my now wife moving in and all that fun pandemic stuff that followed before that. It's been chaotic, to say the least, and I've definitely not been prioritizing my health like I should be. And for 2025 and onwards, that is a goal of mine to start doing a better job of doing. So first, let's jump into the unboxing. First impressions is this box is pretty solid, pretty nicely done. As you can see, it's got all the features written on the side of the box there. Mine is the Aster Black finish as well, and my ring size was a size 9. So right on the top is the ring itself. Presented very nicely. Nice shiny finish. Really, really happy with how that looks. I know I have to charge it and set it up, but I'll go ahead. I'll throw it on and see how it fits. It should be fine. I did the ring sizing kit test for almost a week before I picked the size. Yeah, that's a perfect fit. Very nice. So let's see what else is in the box. So at the top of the box, some welcome to the Ultrahuman family paperwork, user manual, all the usual stuff. Under that looks like the charger base in a nice solid black USB-C finish, of course. And in here is a very nicely braided USB-C cable to connect this with. So I've gone ahead, I've got the ring sat on the charging dock, and while that's happening, I'll run through the setup on my iPhone and get it all paired up. So yeah, that was a setup. Not a lot to it. Went through the iPhone portion pretty quickly. The only annoying part was having to use the scroll wheel to set weight, and it started really low. Everything else was very straightforward. For some reason, the import settings from Apple Health button just didn't work for me. I don't know. Your mileage may vary. The Ultrahuman Air ring is now all set up. It's still on the charging base right now, but I'm very excited to dive in and start using this ring and prepare a final full review for you guys and outline the features, benefits, and all the data insights that I can get from this health, wellness, and sleep tracking device. But those things aside, first impressions, hands-on with the Ring Air, it feels great. The finish is really, really nice. Now it does have quite a reflective coating, so I'm sure it'll pick up fingerprints and get a little smudged as the day goes on. Ultrahuman recommends that you kind of wipe that off with a cleaning cloth and keep it clean, keep it looking fresh and good. I don't have that problem so much with my wedding band, which is also pretty shiny finish, but actually comparing my wedding band side by side with the Ultrahuman Air is really, really impressive. For reference, my wedding band is from David Yurman. It's a true piece of jewelry, and the Ultrahuman Air ring looks and feels almost every bit as good as my wedding band does, and it's got all this tech, a battery that can last for up to 6 days, all this incredible stuff built right into it. It's pretty wild to think about that. The charging base, you know, take it or leave it. It's a bit cheap looking, but definitely functional. There are better looking charger bases from other competitive products out there in this space, but ultimately, this is something that I'm just gonna throw the ring on every day, you know, in the morning or when I'm in the shower or whatnot, just to keep it charged and keep it going. I do love the braided USB-C cable though. Really, really lovely. And of course, USB-C is the one that you want all of your devices to be on, so nice to see that here. It means when I travel, I don't have to worry about bringing a separate cable to plug in the charging base. I can just take the base, leave the cable here in my home office, and plug in any other charger that I have to juice up my ring while I'm on the go. So that's been my first hands-on impressions and thoughts on the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Let me know what you guys think about this health, wellness, and fitness tracking device down in the comments below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Or are you on another team like Team Aura? Looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.